Been many theories about the linguistic origins of Hungarians, with some involving Sumerian, Japanese, Native American languages, but the most far-out theory is easily that the language comes from outer space, usually involving Sirius the Dog Star. These New Age Facebook pages, blogs, and paranormal publications draw their inspiration from a few different sources. First, as they love to underscore, famous writers and Nobel laureates actually have made the claim that Hungarians come from outer space. Science fiction legend Isaac Asimov allegedly said there are two intelligent races living on the planet: the standard humans and Hungarians. There was also a cohort of Hungarians in the early 20th century who were called the Martians. These were scientists, mostly of Jewish origins, who had emigrated to the United States. The group included some of history's most brilliant nuclear physicists, mathematicians, and other scientists who spoke a language that many considered unintelligible. Leo Szilard, close collaborator of Einstein and inventor of the nuclear reactor, responded once to the Fermi paradox, which asks if the likelihood of extraterrestrial life is so high, why is there no evidence of it, by saying, aliens are already among us, they just call themselves Hungarians. But it's pretty clear that these are all jokes, right? Or like rhetorical. Well, that was before people had blogs about ancient aliens. The Dogon people of West Africa have spiritual traditions involving the star Sirius, and it's possible, but also highly disputed, that they've observed traits about the star unobservable with the naked eye. Naturally, this means they learned it from an ancient astronaut, at least according to writers like Robert Temple. Maybe it's because the Dogon also speak a hard-to-classify language, but New Age Hungarians took this and really ran. These theories pull from Hungarian mythology, folk tales of the Palots minority, and take extensive liberties. Some of these theories I've found suggest that Hungarians used to live on Atlantis or Atais and were granted extraterrestrial wisdom, scattering across the earth when it sank. They rope in Turinist paralinguistics, associating Hungarian with Mayan, Indian languages, Sumerian, and others, as well as more standard New Agey stuff like starseeds, auras, alien reincarnation. I found one claim that if you were to wear the Hungarian crown of Saint Stephen near Stonehenge or the pyramids, you would unlock secret messages. Another had an apocalyptic doomsday slant to it, saying that since Hungarians have these oldest ancient alien genes in the world, it would be Hungary that would be destroyed first in some kind of intergalactic cataclysm. The most prominent figure to make an alien Hungarian claim was Laszlo Grespik, a politician and lawyer who claimed Hungary's territorial losses after World War I were legally invalid, and once asked a judge if she had Jewish ancestry while he was defending neo-Nazis. In 2000, he was even part of Viktor Orban's first government's coalition. He said, while human DNA usually has 2 or 3 spirals within a given length, the DNA of Hungarians and Japanese people have 9, which is identical to the number of rotations of light from the planet Sirius when it reaches the Earth. The cosmic origin of the Hungarian intelligence, Hungarian soul, and Hungarian minds as a result of this fact.